That just really means with heart and passion and everything we can, di ba?
Yes, yes. Efficiency lang. Basta everyone is disciplined. But we go out of hotel on point or to the dot. Pagdating sa set, kung anong oras yung target shoot, we would roll. And then, of course, may mga araw na pati pagkain namin, pinaplano namin. Kasi ang usapan namin ng grupo, which everyone agreed, wala na tayong lunch break wala yung meaning, walang lunch break na hindi tayo sabay-sabay titigil tapos magla-lunch tayo. Pati pagkain, pinaplano namin. O sige, wardrobe department, makeup department, kakain kayo. Kami, mag-shoot kami na mag-shoot. Tapos, okay, pagtigil namin, kami kakain. O pagsaset up ang mga taga-ilaw, o mga taga-production and art department. Ayusin nila yung set, kami naman kumakain. Tapos, magbibihisan yung actors, may makeup. Basta, pati pagkain, na plano namin. Para lang ma-achieve yung ano. And then, those departments, they need to work as efficiently and as perfectly as possible para walang downtime. Kasi I have experience na may nakalimutang costume, may nakalimutan prop, so titigil ang buong set. So yun, wala kaming mga ganyan.
Pero direct, meron kayong dream project? Yung i-direct mo talagang all out as a producer?
Ang dream project ko lang, ang dream ko for the industry, not just for myself. Sana someday pumasok yung Hollywood finances sa Pilipinas.
Imagine what you can do with that.
Oo, sana pumasok yung Hollywood finances, Hollywood financing or international financing, pumasok sa Pilipinas para we can do more. Ayun.
Direct, asking lang po as a filmmaker, and as a doctor on the process, how do you feel like your influences, like filmmaking inspirations and your former work as a stuntsman, affect the stylistic choices and plot choices that you've made for the show?
My influences?
Yes.
So, I am influenced by two parts of the world. In the western side,